Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush on Facebook, a full guide. First, to access the game, simply open your Facebook account on your web browser. Look for the Games category, typically found on the left sidebar, or type Candy Crush Saga into the search bar at the top of your screen. Once you locate the game, a single click will begin loading it directly within your browser, ensuring you are ready to play in just moments. It is a very straightforward process. Connecting your Candy Crush Saga game to your Facebook account offers several fantastic benefits. This step allows you to save all your hard-earned progress, including your current level and any special boosters you have collected, across multiple devices. When you first open the game, you will typically see a clear prompt to connect your account, or you can find this option within the game's settings. Just one quick tap or click ensures your journey is continuously saved and accessible, no matter where you choose to play next. Candy Crush Saga's core gameplay is wonderfully simple, yet incredibly engaging. Your main objective in every level is to match at least 3 candies of the same color in a row or column. Successfully matching 4 or 5 candies, or even specific shapes, will create powerful special candies that can clear large sections of the board. Every level presents a unique goal, like clearing all the jelly or bringing ingredients to the bottom, all while carefully managing your limited number of moves. Plan ahead to achieve those sweet victories. Playing Candy Crush Saga on Facebook enhances the experience through its interactive social features. When you run out of lives and want to keep playing, your Facebook friends who also play the game can send you extra lives, allowing you to continue your progress without delay. You can also send requests to your friends for more lives, and in return, you can easily gift lives to them, fostering a helpful community. This social connection makes the game more enjoyable and collaborative, adding a layer of friendly competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.